Okay, this video, hopefully I can explain how I'm going to try to go about grading your short papers. Short paper number one being turned in today, Monday the 14th of September. What I'm going to do is, as I receive the short papers, there should be one document attached to a email, and it should be a Word 2010 formatted document. I will take that document and save it as your name and record when it was received. Then, in the order in which I receive them, I'll grade the short papers. I'll be using the Word 2010 track changes feature or tool in Word, and I'm learning more and more about it. So the first few that I do will look maybe a little bit different than the next few I do, and then paper number two, when you turn it in and receive it back, it may look a little bit different. I'm just trying to work with it and get it where I can communicate with you in the best way possible. Also, when you turn that in, I'll start grading the papers on Monday. Now, hopefully throughout the week we'll get things graded and turned back to you. Like I said, I'll do it in the order in which I receive them. Once I have one of the papers graded, I will then record the grade on Blackboard, and then I'll use the JSU Gym email system and attach that graded document. And under track changes, I will enter my name as the one making the changes, and then I'll attach that document, that change document, and the changes will be in red, green, blue, those kinds of things. And I'll attach that document to the email and email it back to you. That will be your graded document. Then whatever grade you make on that, I'll have at the top of the page. It'll be something out of 30. And if it was turned in late or points are deducted for other reasons, it'll say something out of 30 minus whatever the penalty is equals something out of 30. So it'll give you an idea of what you made on it. That should match up with what's on Blackboard. That grade will stand even if you change topics with paper one. Between papers one and two, you'll have to rewrite paper one, but the grade on paper one will remain the same, so you cannot change topics to try to improve your first paper grades. I'm pretty lenient on the first paper or two as far as grades are concerned, so you just simply need to include what is requested and what should be in each section of the marketing plan, each of those short papers, and then hopefully we'll get in a rhythm where you turn it in on Mondays, I grade it during the week and get it back to you. I'll try my very best in the first 2 or 3 papers that are turned in. I'll grade them and get them back to you before you turn in the next paper, so you'll have that feedback. But as we get into the longer papers of, say, papers 6 and 7, I may not get those back to you immediately. It may take a few more days, but I'll get caught back up and get back on schedule once I have a proper amount of time to grade the papers. If you have any questions about this system, you can, or comments or ways to improve it, please send me an email or give me a call or come by my office and let me know how I can improve the grading system. But currently that's what we have in place. As I learn new things and become more efficient, maybe it'll be better for you. So that's how we're going to grade starting off the semester.